In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gantt-style timeline chart in Notion for your projects. Whether you're managing complex tasks with deadlines, or you simply want a clear visual way to track progress and dependencies, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know and help you stay fully in control of your projects. First, open your Notion workspace and go to the page where your task or project database is located. Once you're there, make sure this database already includes date properties, such as a start date and an end date, because these are essential for building a proper timeline view. Look at the top left area of the database, right next to its name, and click the small plus button to add a new view. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, from the View menu that appears, click on Timeline. You'll see several view options designed to help you visualize date-based information, and the timeline view is perfect for creating a Gantt-style layout. When prompted, give this new view a clear and descriptive name, like Project Timeline or Gantt Chart View, so you can easily recognize it later. Clear naming becomes really helpful once you start using multiple views, doesn't it? To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your tasks actually have start and end dates filled in. Confirm your database is set to the correct date properties. And double-check that your tasks are organized properly. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent confusing gaps or missing bars in your timeline. Once you've completed these steps, you'll see your tasks displayed as horizontal bars across the timeline automatically. After that, you should be able to visualize your entire project schedule at a glance without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to click the three dots in the top right corner of the timeline view and open properties to show or hide details like status, priority, or assignee. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and shows only the information that matters most to you. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create and manage a clean, flexible Gantt-style chart in Notion easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be managing projects in Notion. Why not make someone's day easier?